Hi students, O-Levels Online presents the video lecture series for other adjustments of financial statements. In this video, we will discuss the average cost output method's definition and related explanation. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Level upcoming exams, either in June or November, through CAIE or IGCSE, 9-1, for accounting 7707, or 0452 or 0985. Let's begin with the lesson material. What is the average cost output method? The average cost output method, also known as the weighted average cost method, is an inventory valuation method where the cost of inventory is calculated based on the average cost of all similar goods available during a specific period. This method smooths out price fluctuations over time, providing a consistent cost value. Let's check its calculation. Total cost of goods purchased or produced in period is divided by total number of items purchased or produced in period, that is equal to average cost for period. This is the formula to calculate the average cost of inventory. Let's check its application. The first point is, for inventory sold during the period, multiply the number of units sold by the weighted average cost per unit to determine the cost of goods sold. The second one is, for the remaining inventory, multiply the number of units on hand by the weighted average cost per unit to determine the ending inventory value. Let's check why it is used. The average cost method is a simple inventory valuation method, especially for businesses with large volumes of similar inventory items. Instead of tracking each individual item throughout the period, the weighted average can be applied across all similar items at the end of the period. Let's check its example. We have the following inventory transactions during a month: beginning inventory, 100 units at $10 each, purchase 1, 50 units at $12 each, purchase 2, 150 units at $11 each. The requirement is, to calculate the average cost of the inventory. Let's check the solution. First, we calculate the total cost of the inventory. Multiply units with the given price and add all together to get the total cost value is $3,250. In the second step, calculate the total number of units. We will add all units given in the opening inventory and purchases and would get 300 units. Now, we can calculate the weighted average cost of the unit. $3,250, the total cost value divided by the total units, that is, 300. The answer is $10.83 per unit. This is the average cost per unit. If we sold 200 units during the month, the cost of goods sold would be the 200 units multiplied by the $10.83 average cost per unit, and we'll get $2,166 for the cost of goods sold. The ending inventory would be total units minus units sold, that is 300 minus 200 units, we'll get 100 units and then multiply by $10.83, average cost per unit, we will get the value of $1,083. Let's check its advantages. The first advantage is simplicity, easy to calculate and apply. The second advantage is stability, smooth out price fluctuations over time. And finally, consistency, provides a consistent cost basis for inventory valuation. Let's check some disadvantages too. The first disadvantage is, not reflective of current costs, may not reflect the current market value of inventory, especially in times of significant price changes. The second disadvantage is, not suitable for specific identification, less accurate for businesses with high-cost items or those that need to track specific items individually. Let's move to the next slide. Positively, you got the clear understanding of the concept of average cost output method of inventory valuations, and related explanation as per your syllabus and examination point of view. If you have any query regarding the lesson, kindly ask in the comment section of this video. We will discuss the profit comparison with FIFO, LIFO and average cost output method in the upcoming next video. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.